Welcome to the TaHoma video series. Here is a quick app overview to get you familiar with the app. When you open the TaHoma North America app, you will see the home screen. Let's start by checking the three dots icon on the bottom right of the app screen. Here, you will find many sections to customize the TaHoma setup and information important to user experience. Press on My Products to access the configuration of all products linked to or to be added to the TaHoma. Switch between tabs for all products or products by type, such as shades, remotes, etc. A complete list of devices linked to the TaHoma can be found in the All section. Here, you can favorite selected products, edit them, or delete. The plus icon on the top right is used to add new products. We will go over that process in a separate video. Press the left arrow to return to the main settings menu. Press My Setup to access the menu for displaying the TaHoma PIN number, name, LED intensity, network connection, Ethernet or Wi-Fi, and ability to add gateways. Naming, intensity, and connection adjustments are available by pressing the Edit icon on the right of each option. Press the Edit icon to rename your TaHoma. Enter the desired name and press OK or Cancel. Press the Edit icon to adjust the LED intensity of the TaHoma interface. Use the slider to set the desired LED intensity and press the back button. You should see the LED intensity change in real time while adjusting. Press the Edit icon to adjust the network connection of the TaHoma. Follow the Wi-Fi prerequisites 1 through 4, then press the Setup Wizard button. Press the left arrow on the top left of the screen to exit the Wi-Fi prerequisite screen and not proceed with the Setup Wizard. Separate videos on LED brightness adjustment, changing the Wi-Fi configuration, and adding a gateway are available in this series. Press the left arrow on the top left of the screen to exit the configuration screen and return to the TaHoma settings menu. Press Activity History to view the history of events in the TaHoma on the first tab, or see the Scheduled Events tab to see scheduled activities history. Press the left arrow on the top left of the screen to exit the Activity History section. The Advanced Settings section is used to adjust location and time zone of the TaHoma interface, adjust the limits of a Zigbee motor, and to toggle auto updates on or off. Here, you can also view your TaHoma device's version. Press the left arrow on the top left of the screen to exit. The third-party integration menu allows users to find the list of integration options available with the TaHoma interface. Select the system integration you want to enable and follow the associated steps. For details, watch separate videos in this series. Press the left arrow on the top left of the screen to exit. Next, access the legal information for the TaHoma interface. This document can be saved or shared by pressing the Share icon in the top right corner of the screen. To log out of your account, select Log Out. Now, we'll explore the Scenes menu by clicking on the Scenes icon to the left of the menu icon. A scene allows you to link various connected devices and activate them with just a click. For example, create a good night scene, which lowers all your shades and switches off the lights. Press the scene icon to activate the scene. Press the pencil icon to customize an existing scene. Watch a video on creating, scheduling, editing, and deleting a scene for more details. Next, select the Home icon on the bottom left of the app. This displays the All House Home tab with all rooms or separate tabs for rooms created. From the Home icon, select any of the rooms to open and operate them. Press the X button on the top right of the screen to go back to the All House Home tab. Customize rooms by selecting the individual room tab and pressing the gear icon on the top right of the screen. This allows for editing a room or creating a new one. You can also add a photo of your room. Select Set New Photo to access the mobile device camera and capture the desired picture of the room. This function requires access to the camera, allowed in the settings of the TaHoma North America app. A separate step-by-step video on creating, editing, and deleting a room is available in this how-to series. Next, go back to the home screen and select the star icon on the bottom left of the home screen to access the Favorite menu to quickly recall a scene or product that you have set as a favorite. You can favorite a scene or a product by selecting the associated star icon. Visit us on SOMFYsystems.com to discover more.